Time for another hunt. Let's go. Come on. Oh my gosh. What an excitement. Thank you, Dollar Tree, for coming through with the JKs. Whew. Stick around for the rest of the video and see exactly what happens this morning. All right, we're at Dollar Tree and we got 4 cases. Let's get out. We're gonna put these out. All right, first one is gonna be the J case, and it is a regular one. We also have the Formula One, the Mercedes, the funny Mustang. That's a regular one too. And other than that, there's the Ferrari. There's nothing really in the back of this. We're gonna put these out and go to the next case. BRB, wish us luck. Got 3 more chances. All right, case number 2. And we've got 2 duds. Oh wow, not what we want to do, but whatever. We'll be back onto case 3. All right, case number 3 is gonna be the dud. 2 duds again. 1 and 2. Oh, this is a tough case. I forgot how hard JKL is. JTZ, JSX, JSE, JTZ. So this is the last one. Let's see how our odds are. It's been crazy, but I have a good feeling about the 4th box because it's a dud again. So there we go, 4 boxes, all duds. No luck with JKs. That's crazy. None of them were double taped either. But hey, what can you do? It's a regular Mustang. That's a regular Mustang. Clips, yeah, all the same stuff. We're gonna put these out and see if there's any treasure hunts, because so far, duds. All right, well, we're picking up 3 of these, because 1, 2, 3, and 4 cone shakers, Ferraris, treasure hunts, and all the duds. That's pretty much it for this case. We'll see. I mean, this store, kind of disappointing, but what can you do? See you guys in the next one. All right, this morning we've got a Dollar Tree. All right, so the packs are looking pretty empty, and you know what that means. We've got 1 J case, and ooh, that's a good sign right there when the treasure hunt is on top. Actually, it's on top on both of them. That usually means that's a 97% chance of a super. We're gonna put these up and we'll be back. So 3, 2, 1. All right, we put the packs up. So 3, 2, 1, and we've got a duds key. That's a bummer. Well, my goodness, it's so hard to get these now. All right, we'll put the rest of them up and we'll be back with the second case. All right, so we put them up, and as I'm finishing the box up, I realized there was 2 of these. So the treasure hunt was on the top and both of the duds were on the bottom. I guess this drops it down to a 50% chance just because the treasure hunts were both on top and they're both same boxes. JTZ, oh no, JUW. Okay, so this was different. 3, 2, 1. Regular. We got the Ferrari. We got the clip. Regular Mustang. Oh man. Oh my gosh. We got it. Oh man. There we go. Oh my god, I thought they were both duds, especially when the first one was. And then, okay, so there's both have 2 But look at the difference. You can tell right away. Oh my gosh. Yo, that's crazy. I love it. Another super. Let's get out of here. See you guys in the next store. Let's freaking go. We got a super treasure hunt. Come on. Oh my gosh. What an excitement. Thank you, Dollar Tree. Make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed. All right, this morning, Dollar Tree doesn't have much Hot Wheels, so we'll help him out and put these up. You saw in the last case, JTZ was pretty good, especially with the treasure hunt on top. Let's put these up and we won. We'll go straight for the kill with this one because you guys have been around this long. I can't freaking wait to see what's inside. We're gonna put these up obviously, but we wanted to make sure that we grab the duds keys. Oh darn it. So there we go. No anticipation, no super treasure hunts. We'll put these up and better luck next time, as they say, right? That's it. And we got Wally World. Let's see what they've got. And we're back on the hunt at this Walmart for the KKs. As seen in the last video what we picked up, but more quietly. Obviously, we created too much noise or something. A busy section at that with just opening up the boxes. But what can you do? You live and you learn. All right, so we got to put out a J case. Both of them are regular. There's your treasure hunt. Bring that up to the front as a highlight. And that's about it. See you guys in the next store. Hopefully you enjoy this little fun, exciting, epic, wild hunt in the Wally World. And we've got another Dollar Tree.
Your store.
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome.
3, 2, 1, and we're going car for car. There's a treasure hunt. There's a treasure hunt. We're gonna put these out and go for the bottom. So we're going 3, 2, 1. No. 1 and 2. That box loses. We've got 1, and they took the super out because these all come with 2. This one does not have a second one. All right, that's it. See you guys in the next one. Oh my gosh. Seems like we're always in the middle of something. I really thought he was gonna smack into him, but not this time. And next stop up, we have got a Dollar Tree. Let's see what they've got. Check it out. We just had a whole J case. We put it out, and both of the Chevys are duds. But we have a shipper. Oh, there's the birthday burner, the regular treasure hunt, the regular Jeep Gladiator, Bronco, Silverado. This was not in all of them. So we're looking at that G case. Another Jeep, probably the second one. Oh, there's the regular. Don't have the super. There's 3 Jeeps. Optimus Prime. That's crazy. I have not pulled a single thing out of any of these shippers. That's how. Oh man. 1 and 2. Both regular Dudskis. Well, that's it. Hopefully you guys had fun at this Dollar Tree with us. We'll see you in the next store. Alright, we got Wally World. Let's see what they've got. Alright, so we looked at this whole ship on both sides. There's a few from the K case. And then there's the Land Rover Defender, which is pretty cool in this tan color. There's another one, the Revenger ST. This one actually looks pretty sweet. Very nice casting. We did find one of the Xamax, which is the punk rod, nothing else. And oh, check it out, somebody left these right on top. All right, so there was one super, because there's another Mustang right there that I found, and this is the second one. So I'm guessing it's one super per Legend Store box, but we might be grabbing two of these just because I want to crack this one open. So we'll see. You guys at the next store. Alright, we didn't get it all. It was all in the reel. So if you want to watch that, go watch the reel. But we are leaving here with a Civic and Jeep Gladiator 20th edition. That's how old these boxes are at this Walmart, and they have 1,200 of it. Well, no, mine is the 72. But see you guys in the next one. Well, after all that nonsense, let's go see what another Walmart's got. All right, so they have 1 and 2 K cases, but these are also Xamax as well. And it's our first speed tail. I'm gonna crack the top of this and let's see what's inside. We already went to the bottom. All right, so right on top, we're gonna start off with the treasure hunt. If we can pull it out. This one's stuck in there. Okay, pretty cool. You can see that flame. That's a regular treasure hunt, and pretty much that's it in this case. So we're grabbing these two, one for me, one for Jimbo, and we just located. That's the third case right there. That's the third case. Oh, we also did crack the other case open. We put these here just for the second, but we did get a super treasure hunt. There's a K case. Let's go. I'll leave that there. There's also the F40 and the treasure hunt. Just in case, you guys saw what happened in the last freaking video. Yeah, we're not doing that again. We're doing one by one, hiding them, whatever we gotta do to get these. But yeah, that's about it for this case. We'll see you guys at the next store because that's about it here. All right, and that's gonna do it for today's hunt. If you guys watched our video, the first thing that we got was the Chevy, and then the second super was the Jeep, and now we're finishing off the night with another McLaren Speedtail, and that's gonna do it from us. You guys in the next one. That'll do it. We've got the super treasure hunt of the Chevy. So then his friend was like, hey, I want to come along too, and bam, we got the Jeep super treasure hunt. And then these two are actually very same colors. I think they're both gunmetal black, but then the Speedtail was like, hold on, let's add some color to that mix in. 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you smash that like button. Also, leave a comment, and if you're subscribed, we'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace. And slowly but surely, our collection for 2025 Super Treasure Hunts is slowly coming to a closing. We are missing 4 more to complete all 15 Super Treasure Hunts for this year. Which ones are you missing? Comment down below if you've made it this far.